it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this blueberry clafoutis. I think that's how you pronounce it. I had to look it up. I had to have Google Translate pronounce it for me. So this is a French dessert that's traditionally made with black cherries, but we're going to do it with blueberries. It's just a couple tablespoons of butter, some sugar, and now I am adding some eggs, one at a time, to this. And it's really important that your butter and your eggs are at room temperature when you do this. Otherwise your butter won't mix up very well. Now I have sifted in about half a cup of flour, and you do want to sift it because you don't want any lumps. It's really important that there not be any lumps. And then you're going to add some milk and some heavy cream. This batter is really thin. It's sort of like crepe batter. And it was kind of weird when I made this because I've never made one of these before. I was not really expecting that. So it is a really thin batter. Now we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon, about a teaspoon. Actually, I think that was supposed to be half a teaspoon, and I added a full teaspoon. It was still good. And then I added some vanilla and some almond extract. Now I have my pan, and I'm spraying that with some Baker's Joy. You could just do a little bit of oil spray if you wanted to. I would dust it in some flour as well because, like I said, this batter is thin. It's a very delicate dessert, so you just want to be careful with it. I put the blueberries in the bottom, and then I saved some for the top as well, but they kind of sink to the bottom anyways. You want to bake that at 350 for about 40 minutes, and here it is. When it comes out, I just turned this over on a plate and then flipped it over on my cutting board. You could serve it in the pan, that's probably easiest. But when it comes out, you just want to sprinkle it with a little bit of powdered sugar. But that's it. This is a super easy and delicious dessert, and you can impress all of your friends and family with your French pronunciation. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.